Alright, Creality, we're going to have a talk. This is what happens when you give a ex-machinist a warped and out of level bed. He spends hours upon hours manually leveling it himself with neoprene washers. Yeah, they got a copper washer on top and bottom, sandwich to him. And hey, I threw some wingnuts in there. I can adjust it whenever I want. I just gotta go through the painstaking process of Creality's auto bed leveling process on these machines. I don't know. I had the time in it's probably about 8 to 10 minutes every time. I probably did about 30 cycles to level this thing. It's pretty fine adjustment, but it works. I got it somewhat level, about 0.2 millimeters out. It's about as good as I can do, but I'm gonna try a glass bed tomorrow maybe. Got one coming from Amazon, so we'll see how that works. I don't know if the load system will work with the glass. I haven't tested that out yet, but it works with this soft bed. So. All right, fun times ahead.